on.
So today we'll do the filter. Filter means if user searches for the Indian, so it will show all the Indian records. And if it searches for the food, then it will show all the food record. So let's build that one. So we have to go inside the components, and we will open the result container because it has all the results. So basically we are we are manipulating this array for the filter and all. So the first step in the filter is we will create one text box where user will try to filter it. So in the results, I will just create one filter. Maybe I'll say input type equal to text, and I will say placeholder equal to filter, and I will let's see what text field I have to use for the bootstrap. Okay, for the bootstrap I use the class name of form control. So let's put the form control. Okay, and so this is something. So here it's saying filter. Okay, let's make a two column wise. So I'll create a div last name equal to row, last name equal to row. One second. And again I'll create a div last name equal to call md12 or 6, and then I will put the filter here, and I'll close the div tag here, and I'll close the div tag here. Okay, so I'll save it. So it's a filter here. So for example, now if I put food, I should be able to see all the rows with the food. So that is called a filter. So what we will do, we will create a state variable called as filter term. Initially, I will give some empty value, that is, or we can say null. Null is also good. Let's make it null. Now, so whenever user searches it in the filter, let's update this variable, filter term. So I will say on change equal to, we'll put the curly bracket, inside curly bracket I will put the arrow function, and I'll pass e as a event, and here I will say this dot set state, and I will put the curly bracket, and I will say term is equal to e dot target dot value. So whatever user puts in the text box, I will change the filter term. Sorry, not term. It's a filter term b dot target dot value. And also I'll change the page number to 1, because whenever user try to search something, I want to change the page number to 1. Initially it is page number 1, but when user goes to second page, third page, then page number changes to 2, 3, and when you filter it, and if it does not found in the current page, you will not see anything. So we will reset the page number to 1 whenever someone searches it. So let's try it now. Still, it will not work because we haven't done anything to do that. I just updated the state. So I'll say food. So if I say food, you will see state. I did not echo the state. Let me echo the state. So if I put food, so it should, it's saying filter term is food. Okay, we are getting filter term food. So now we will write the functionality to that. So before we write it, just do this one. First, add the state variable filter. I'm giving you the chat. Second, create this input box before this curly bracket. I'll give in the chat. Okay, do these two things and then we will filter it. Okay, now what we will do. So there is a functionality in JavaScript, and that functionality is called the filter, and we will use that functionality to filter our things. Now what I will do, once I get this array, my array, I will here manipulate it. I will say filter results. Once I get array, I will filter the results. So first, I will see what is there in the array. So I'll say console.log my array. I'll check what is in the array before filter. And I will also again print my array after filter. Here I will write the code for the filter. So I will say if this dot state dot filter term, if we have some value in the filter term, then only do this thing, otherwise I don't want to do. And then I will say my array. I will override the my array value with some functionality. And here I will say my array dot filter. And filter, here I will pass some function, and if that function returns true, then the value of that record will be added in the my array. And if filter returns false, that function returns false, then my array will not take that value. So my array will loop through all the values of the my array. It will go through all the values of the my array, and each time it will check that whether that value is true or false. If return is true, it will add in the my array, and if it is false, it will not return in the my array. So how to do? Inside that, we will put the arrow function, and arrow function will take one parameter. I can say record. So my array will go through all the values, let's say 0 number, 1 number, 2 number, and each row will go as a record. So when it passes first time, the row, let's see what is there in the my array. So we have 7 records in the my array. So first it will go to 0 number, then it will go to 1 number, then it will go to 2 number, and when it goes to the 0 number, this value will be going it as a record. So each time we will be able to access as a record for that row. So that means here I will get the first record. First time it will get the first record, and it will loop automatically. It is inbuilt functionality. We don't have to mention that. So I will say record dot. What things are coming? Let's say we are getting title. So I will check in the title. So I will say record dot title dot. I will check in lowercase. So let's make it lowercase to lowercase. So this part will give me what? Record dot title dot lowercase. In the first case will give me what? So first time it will come, then it will give what? I will put,
Lowercase.
yeah, I will put options whether it will give me food 1 or food 1 or food 1. Yeah, either of these two.
The second one.
Second one, because though title is food 1, since we are making it lowercase, so this will give me the food 1, that is the second case. So we are getting, I am putting this to lowercase and then I am searching in this. So I am taking this food 1 and I am searching in this. So to search it, we use index of. Index of is the functionality of the JavaScript to search anything in a string. So I'm searching inside this. Inside this, I'm searching. What I have to search? What I have to search?
The keyword of the filter.
Yes.
Filter.
Right. So whatever user has put in the filter, we have to search that. So that is nothing but this dot state dot filter term. So inside the index of, I will put this dot state dot filter term. Here also I will make filter term also lowercase. I will match both into lowercase, because sometimes if one is not lowercase and another is lowercase, then it will give problem. So filter should also be in the lowercase. Now index of this number should be greater than or equal to 0. If it is -1, that means it is not found. If this is equal to -1, then it is not found. So when you search for the food and food is present here, then it will give result greater than or equal to 0. And if food is not present in this title, then it will give -1. So we have to return something. So I will return this value. So this is the value. It may come as a -1 if it is not found, and it will give some value if it is found. Now let's check this one. So my array will be now consist of the term with filtering. Now we will test it. Now initially I did not put anything in the filter, so both are coming 7 7, and we are not getting any difference because both are same. Now as soon as I will put, let's say I put food. So once I put food, out of 7 records, how many records have 5 food? 5 records have food. So now we are getting 5 records. If you see in the 0 number we have food. In the 1 number we have food. So in 5 records we have food out of 7 records. Let's try to check Chinese. I will try to put Chinese. So only 1 record has Chinese. That's the reason we are getting only 1 record. Here it is not displaying, but it is there. Right. Yeah.
So no matter it is in the title or in the text.
I haven't put the text part, description part, because we have description also. Right now I'm just checking the title. We will put description also, but right now I'm only checking the title.
Only check the title.
Yeah.
What about text? The text?
Text is only for, we will check text also now, but text will also be searched when user will search this one. But now also I will search text also, I will search description also, I will search location also, I will go through all the fields.
Yes.
Okay, so now one thing is this one. Now I will copy this and I will put OR and I will paste it. Now in the second case, I will put the description. So either this filter term is matching in the title or in the description I want to return it true. So again I will do or, and now I will do in the location, I will search for administrative level 1. So I will search for record.location.administrative level 1. I will copy this, I'll paste multiple times. So now administrative level 1, then I will go again. I may use tags also. Let's use the tags. So after I get, okay, let's go here and put the tags. Record.tags, record.administrative level 1. I'll go through each field. Any field if we found, we will show it. Administrative field 2, country, then comes formatted address, then comes latitude, even latitude I'll allow. And then I'll go longitude, then I'll go locality, then I go tags, and let's do ID also if I know ID also. Okay.
Oh, you gave too much details, so even the person filter by longitude, just they put a number of the longitude, they can also find the record.
Yeah, so that's not good, right? We should remove latitude, longitude. They will put 7, it will come. So let's remove the longitude, latitude.
Oh, yeah, if they put 7, should be count.
Right. So it's not good. So right now, okay, now it's fine. Okay, let's try to do it now. So maybe I'll say San Francisco is coming. San Jose, San Jose is not coming. Why? We have San Jose, right? No, San Jose is not there actually. Okay, let's put mountain. Let's put CA. Everything is USA. Everything is coming. Put donation. I'm getting this one. And pagination is automatically changed when I send the results. Let's put some blah blah blah. So we are not getting anything.
Yes.
Maybe we can create when nothing comes. We will put some text also, no record found. But right now I don't want to waste time on that one. So right now let's do filtering part. Indian is one record. Okay, so just put this part now. So now I will remove this console.log, but I will keep this console.log, or let it keep it now. We will delete it afterwards once we are done with testing. So after my array for loop, you put these lines of the code.
to lowercase
Hmm.
cannot read the property of to lowercase of undefined.
Okay, let me see what you're saying. Okay, go there.
Yes, it seems good, but once I click and try to typing like uh, like USA,
Hmm. Okay.
I cannot type.
Okay. Open the console.log and try to type. Okay. Let's see where is the problem. To lowercase of undefined. Okay. So that means to lowercase of undefined is there, right? So that means we are trying to search something which is not there. Okay. Go there in your code. Let's see. You copied my code only, right? Let's see where is the problem. Of title. Okay, so some field may not be there in your case. Okay, so now go to your console.log again. Refresh the page. Don't type it. Let's see in the filter. Open your my array. Open your my array in the console.log. Yeah, open this one. Open one of them. A zero number, zero number. Click the zero number. Okay, let's see. We have description, we have ID, we have image URL of tags. Okay, so maybe tags is not there in that, and that's the reason it is not coming. Okay, so we need to put some checksum of the number which is there or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, remove your tags and then try to do it. Let's see if this is the problem. Remove the
Remove the
tags part. Yeah, yeah, this one tag one. Yeah,
this one.
go from the or yeah, yeah, till next or. Yeah, delete it, save it. Yeah, let it will refresh automatically. Okay, now search now do that. Okay, now still there is error. Go up to lowercase of undefined. Something is undefined. Let's see what is. Open the my array. Open zero number. Let me see again what is the problem. Okay, user ID is there, title is there, tags is there. Open the location, administrative 1, administrative 2, country formatted as locality. That is also fine. Okay, now what we have to do, go there. Okay, so let me debug it. Do Control Z. Let's see, Control Z. Yeah, let me debug it in your one. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me see why you are getting it. So what I will do, I will check each one console.log. No, not here. Here I will check.
Oh, how? I know.
Okay. Console.log tags. Change this to, we'll take the description, put it here. Can you do this for all the fields? Copy paste this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, do it for location all first. Do it for after third number, fourth number. You have to do it for all whatever fields are there. Let's see where exactly.
Filter term.
No,
Oh, there is a filter term.
Yeah, no, no, not this one. I have to do. Okay, I'll do one. You do rest one because for you it will be easy. This one is okay. I'll do this
Okay. One.
So do it for all. So here name it as maybe you name it as a state. Okay, do it for all others. Yeah, that is not state 2, that is county.
This one. Administrated.
Yeah, administrative level 2 is county. Some, samba.
Locality.
What happened? Locality is city.
Oh, city. This one. Address. Formatted address.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay. Whatever
Okay.
you. Now
So
save it. Now let's go there. Save it, save it. Yeah, go there. Wait, it will come out. And now filter it. Let's see where is the problem. Go up in the console.log, go up. Okay, go down, little bit down. Little bit down. Okay, let's see in the first case. Okay, so first case we get title, description, tax, state, county, country, address, city. Second case we are getting title, description, tax, state, county is a problem. Okay, so open my array, up, little bit up, my array, open my array, open the one number, open the location. So here we don't have administrative level 2. Okay, so we need to fix that one. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, I'll take the control now.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to fix if we don't have something right now. In my case, everyone has all the fields, but we need to fix the things that sometimes if this is not there, then we need to avoid using that one. Okay, so we will make each case separately. For example, I will say constant. I will say title is equal to, if I have record dot title, 5 मिनट 1 सेकंड 5 मिनट के बाद आ
उसको लेके जा रही हूँ ना
5 मिनट थोड़ा
उसके आंखें देख राजा
एग्रीड है 5 मिनट में आ
इसके
ठीक है 2 मिनट में आना
नहीं हो सकता है ना मैं नहीं आ सकती
तो ये लेके जा उसको बोल ये भी लेके जा वो भी लेके जा वो भी लेके जा दे उसको हाथ में दे यूट्यूब दे रुको रुको नहीं तो रुको so if I have record dot title, then I check this condition, and if I don't have title, okay, otherwise it will be big statement. If a statement will come, let's make that one. So if I have record dot title, let's say if I don't have record dot title, I don't want to consider that total. If I don't have record dot title, I should not consider even returning kind of thing. So if I have record dot title, this is only for checking the condition. If I have record dot title and maybe I can take this, maybe I'll create a variable var check equal to null. If I have record that title, check is equal to this.
But why you don't have the same problem? Why I have problem?
Because I selected the city which has county in all the records, but you have selected one city where they don't have county. So you are having the problem. So record dot title was not there. Okay, so maybe I can say I will do this in the separate way. If record dot title, okay, if we don't have record dot title, I will create that one. Let's make that simple. If not record dot title, if we don't have record dot title equal to, I will make it empty string. I'll do it for all. So when it will reach, it will at is having empty value. If it is empty value, it's fine. But for you, the key was missing. And if key is missing, then it's giving the error. Okay, let's do this one. We don't have record.location.administrative area 1. Then I will create it with this one. Generally, it will be having the people will not have this problem, but sometimes if you don't have this key value pair, then it will give error. Okay, just so I was not sure where exactly was the problem. That's the reason we put it in the console.log to really understand where exactly is the problem. This one is ID. Which one remains? Local city, state, county, country, formatted address, ID. We got everything. So just put this before your return statement. Just put these lines of the code, and then we will test it. Okay, still you're getting, go up a little bit. Okay, still you are getting this one. Go to my array. My array. Open one number. Open the location. Yeah, it's not okay. Go to their code. Go to your code. Okay, in the console.log, just copy all console.log below if conditions. Put it below if conditions. And in the first one, instead of title, say title space 1. Space 1.
This one?
No,
This
no,
one?
here, not here. Not
This
here.
one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
space 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Save it and let's see. County is missing still. Type
Do I need
something.
to type something?
Yeah, type it. What you were doing previously? What you were searching previously?
USA?
Previously, what you were searching, you were getting error.
You, I'm searching like a USA. Right now,
Previously, also tried to search different
it
ones.
works. Let me see.
Okay, go down. Maybe it is not refreshed at that time. Now it got refreshed.
Let's see USA. No,
Yeah, so it's working, right?
but I have USA food. See?
Yeah, so USA is showing it, right?
No. See if I am on the first page, I type USA and enter.
Yeah.
No USA food. Why?
It's there in the page number 2. It's there.
Oh, okay. Cause all of the record have USA.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Try to search something different.
Yes, it works.
Yeah.
But you see the layout is changing a little bit. It's okay, right? It's not.
Right. Right.
You have the same problem.
Which layout is changed?
Mm, let's say Indian.
Yeah, it's fine. This is one record.
Okay, that's so mine is works right now.
Right.
But
So
what
remove
is
the
the
console. Yeah.
what is the problem happen to me? Why you don't have the same problem?
Because the record, which city you chose it. If I choose same city, I will also get problem. There will be one city which has that problem.
Oh, I see. You will have the same problem.
Yeah, if I do same thing, I will have.
Okay. So I'll remove all the console log.
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Now we'll go for the sorting kind of thing. Sorting means which field should display first and all last field should display first. So that kind of sorting is something we will make sorting. So let's make it sorting. So to do the sorting, I will create a field. Similarly here like this, I will create a field where I will say sorting is there or no, sorting I want or not. So here it will be, I will say sorting, and here I will create one state variable called as sorting field, what you want to sort. And once you sort it, page number should go to 1, right? Or once you sort it, even if you don't change the page number, it's fine because sorting will keep the item same number. So even you're on third page, you will be on the third page, but sorting will be there. So even if we don't change the page number, then it's fine. But let's change the page number to see go on the first page. It's okay to make it first page. Only thing I will put this sorting field in the state, and I'll make it initially I'll make it null. Okay. So now I will give you one function which sorts the fields. We might have done this in normal JavaScript, or we will also do again in the normal JavaScript course how to really sort things. Sort is kind of a data structure where we see how to sort the things. Right now, just I got this function, I put it, but internally how it works, we will we will see it separately when we do basic JavaScript kind of thing. Right now, just paste this function for the sorting. It does sorting based on the some criteria. I don't want to go into detail of this kind of thing. It will take 2-3 days to explain what it does. So right now, just remember that this does some sorting kind of things. Try to understand yourself if you can. If you don't, we will do it separately when we do some basic JavaScript again. Okay. So
Yes.
these I take 2-3 days to make you understand what happens inside this one. So now what I will do
Did you
after
attach it?
yeah
Shall I put it in my code? The
yeah
sorting function?
I will give you 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, put this function
Before.
anywhere after on active page maybe. Put this function and create this sorting field.
Yes.
It and also create the text field. This is the text field you create it.
Yes, done.
Okay. Now what we will do, we will use this function. So how to use this function? Let's say if you want to sort on the title, so you will say only title. But if you want to reverse direction, that means if you put title, it will be ascending into the title. But if you want to put descending order, you have to say just minus title. So if it's minus title, it will be descending order. And if it is without minus, it will be ascending. Right now, we are just putting this field. User will not know whether title is a field or not. For them, we have to give the select box that we will do tomorrow. Right now, just put the text box to show you how sorting works. Tomorrow, we will convert this text box to the select box so that user will select whether they want to sort based on title or description, something like that. So let's do now sorting functionality. So what I will do here, once okay, here we have filter results. Now I will go with I will create it a sorting kind of thing, sorting results. So sorting results, I will delete this console.log array from filter and I will try to put it inside the sorting. And here I will put the sorting kind of thing. So sorting will work like this. If this dot state dot sorting field is there, then I will say my array dot sort. Sort is the JavaScript function which we need to pass, and inside the sort we need to pass custom function which do the sorting. So custom function is dynamic sort. So I will say inside the sort I will say this dot dynamic sort. So and inside the dynamic sort we have to give the field name. So what field name we have to sort? So we have to sort with this field name. So my array is my array. Sort is a JavaScript function which used for sorting the results. And inside that we call the custom function, that is this one, which we created. And it takes the parameter that will be the sorting field. And we don't need to pass it into the equal some value because it manipulates the my array. So we don't need to use some equal sign. And this is fine. This is the only part which we have to put in the sorting. Let's test this condition now. So first I will search with the San Jose. Let's put the San Jose. Let's put San Jose. So I'm getting distance also. Now I will do sorting on the title. Once I say title, you will see C is coming top, FF, and then we have I, M, P, and H. Okay, H is coming. Okay, why it is coming problem? Why is a problem? You know, because it is small letter and everything is in the capital because capital first comes first and C comes small. So how to fix that one? Let's see. So there are different ways to fix that one. Maybe we can create one extra field for the title that which will convert it to the lowercase, and we will search that field actually instead of this title. So maybe we will do that after some time. Let's understand the sorting logic. We will try to make everything lowercase and then sort it. If we make everything lowercase and sort it, it will be fine. Right now, some are capital, some are small. So JavaScript works like that. It takes first capital letters and then it takes small letters. So small letter is going into the third page. Okay,
Yes.
let's do the minus title. So now it will be reverse.
Oh,
Let's do
minus is for reverse.
yeah, for reverse. We will make the select box so user will not know what we are doing internally, but minus will make it reverse. So now generally this minus is not for all the cases, but because my function is created like this dynamic sort function is created like this, if you have minus sign in the beginning, then that means it is reverse direction. That's the reason. Otherwise, it's not for all. You cannot say that minus means reverse only because function is created like that, if you put minus, it is in reverse direction.
Okay.
Now let's say if I put distance, so it will go distance wise 11 miles, 15 miles, 28 miles, 35, 41, and last one is 41 miles. And if you want to minus distance, 41 is in the top, and we can search by distance also. So why not to make distance as a default one? But sometimes user does not have distance, so we won't be able to get it. Let it be. We will fix that in the select box. Okay, now this one is the distance. Let's do it by text. So though we are not able to show, we are not showing it, but it is doing by text. So like this we can make. Generally, we will make the sorting based on the title and distance. That's it. And ascending and descending. So it will be 4 number. Let's do it now. Maybe I can create a select box. So let me create a select box. On change, I will call same thing. Okay, on change here we'll change it. I don't want to use it now. I will put it after some time. Select box and I will put the options. Let's create this option. Oh, okay, we'll do this tomorrow because it will take too much time, half an hour to only do select box. So right now, just do this one. And tomorrow we will work on the making it select box. It will take half an hour more now. So I'll give you the sorting part in the chat. I'm not able to open the chat.